In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Ms. Teams calendar with Outlook. Winning Silence 5. Step by step. The good news is that Outlook and Microsoft Teams are designed to work together under the same Microsoft account. So your calendar sync is built in. We're simply going to confirm you're signed in correctly and then open Teams from Outlook so the same calendar follows you across both apps. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Choose Outlook on the web. This gives you a clean, up-to-date view that's perfect for checking whether your calendar is already syncing. If your organization uses Microsoft 365, this is the most reliable way to verify that everything is tied to the correct account. Next, sign in with the same Microsoft account you use for Teams. This part is crucial. If you have multiple work or personal profiles, pick the account that matches your Teams login. Using different accounts is the most common reason people don't see their meetings syncing. Once you're in, you should land on your Outlook homepage. From here, look toward the top of the Outlook window for the Microsoft Teams icon. It may appear in the app launcher or navigation bar, and it's your shortcut into Teams directly from Outlook. Select it. Because you're already signed in, Outlook will open Teams on the web using that same account, which is what links your calendars automatically. You'll now be taken to your Teams workspace. Since both apps are using the same sign-in, your Outlook calendar and your Teams calendar point to the same underlying Microsoft 365 calendar. That means meetings you schedule in Outlook appear in Teams, and meetings created in Teams show up in Outlook. No extra setup required. If you don't immediately see your events, give the page a moment to load or refresh the view. Also make sure your time zone settings are correct in both Outlook and Teams. Mismatched time zones can make events look out of place. A few quick tips if something looks off: confirm you're not mixing accounts from different organizations, close extra browser profiles that might auto-switch accounts, and try a fresh sign-in if the calendar looks empty. If you can open Teams from within Outlook and you're using the same account, the sync is in place by design. That's it. By accessing Teams through Outlook with the same login, you've ensured your calendars stay in sync across both platforms, making scheduling and meeting management seamless.